person before me. So I ran from over there. Wow. Okay, so I live in New York, but I am from here. I went to the University of Texas. And I'm glad to be home out of the sun. I mean, into the sun. There's no sun in New York. Everyone wants to do murder, suicide on everyone that they ever meet. But being from the South, I do try to exude confidence. I try to walk tough in New York. Like, I see a lot of people being shady. I'm like, I dare you to rape me. I fucking dare you to try to rape me, because I might, like, make an ugly face and try to scream out I have AIDS, and then I'd scream out, I have cancer. And he's like, well, I'm still going to rape you because I can't catch that. Nevertheless, I got raped. And then I had to deal with cancer. No. I did recently go to Los Angeles, and my friend Eileen, I got to hang out with her, and apparently marijuana is legal in California.
Yeah.
It really is. She has a prescription card for marijuana because she has mild to no anxiety, which is all you need. And I was like, no, I can't, because I'm super paranoid and I deal with a general sense of fear and doom in my everyday life. And I'll give you some examples of that. I was on the plane on the way here, and the stewardess woman person, it could be a man, was like, just so you know, he was gay, just so you know, there are 6 exits on the plane, 2 in the front, 2 over the wings, and 2 in the back. And remember, in case of emergencies, they might be behind you. And I was like, what? Who is behind me? And is it only in case of emergencies that someone is behind me? They were talking about the exits, but no, I have doom and paranoia like I talked about. And then the other day I was watching TV and I saw a commercial for Caltrate, which is a calcium supplement. And it said, the voiceover said, 80% of us don't get enough calcium from our food. Our bodies can steal it from our bones. And I was like, what? My body is a separate entity from my bones, which is capable of stealing from them? Great. I'm going to have nightmares. On top of the nightmares that I already have, and I do have nightmares every night. Literally, my boyfriend wakes me up every night because I'm like screaming and sweating and crying because he's having sex with me. Just kidding, I don't sweat, I'm a girl. But I do cry. I saw another commercial the other day for Plan B, which is the thing that you do. Y'all know. And it was like, the voiceover was like, remember, when your birth control fails you, you are not alone. And then it's like 5 vignettes of women waking up in bed alone by themselves, and then they go to the store by themselves to get their Plan B, and then at the end of the commercial there's like a dude who high-fives them and buys them some ice cream. And that's supposed to make it okay. I have an idea for a commercial for My Doll, and I will judge from your reaction whether you think it's a good idea or not. So it's a woman. We open on a woman, curled up on the couch. The lights are off and there's static on the TV. And a man walks in and he places some My Doll on the coffee table and then he backs out slowly. And the voiceover is, My Doll, for when you bitch be acting crazy. Right? I'm sorry, guys, that we have periods. We can't help it. If we could, but we can't. But to be fair, guys are also sometimes douche nozzles. And I was at a club the other night, and not a club, but I was at a bar, and a guy came up to me, and he's like, girl, I know, pause for laughter, a guy hit on me. A guy came up, he's like, girl, I just want to hit it and quit it. And I was like, you can just keep hitting it, and then, like, we could date. Seriously, just hit it, and then you can hit it again. And it was like weird. I quit. So yeah, I'm a catch. That's all I got. I'm Emily Tarver.